Hi, I'm Stewie3D, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Turtle Beach Recon chat headset. And then what I'm going to do is plug it in to the laptop and test it through OBS on the laptop. And then I'm going to do my preferred method of connection, which will be via the Xbox One controller, and then also try that. So why did I get this? Well, it's a cheap headset. It was only 15 quid. Hello, I've got company. But yeah, it was a cheap little 15 quid headset. Basically, I wanted a bit of a better mic. I mean, don't get me wrong, the laptop's microphone is very good for an array microphone, you know, above the monitor. But I find that when I stream, I tend to shout at it a bit. I know I shout at the games anyway, but yeah, I tend to talk rather loud into it. And so when I did Discord with Scazius, we had a bit of a nightmare getting his voice to come out, you know, and not drown out the, basically, where I had to have his voice coming out of with the game audio out of the speakers, it just got a bit of a nightmare. I had to, and then, you know, I could hear him loud as day on the, when I was gaming with him, but then on the stream it was quiet as anything. So with this, when I plug it into the Xbox One controller, what it will allow me to do is have the laptop speakers just for game audio, and basically then use that for chat via Discord. And then obviously when I'm not chatting or playing an online multiplayer game, I can then just use the microphone, hopefully as a better streaming microphone than the inbuilt microphone in the laptop. Now, don't get me wrong, the inbuilt microphone in the laptop is very good for what it is, especially when you turn the noise cancelling on. But the problem is sometimes that noise cancelling can have a bit of a mind of its own. And when I did my quieter, more informational type videos with no background audio, I had a problem where it would just drop out every now and again, and it'd sound like that scene from Wayne's World where he was trying to order the burger, but faking that the machine was broken and go, and well, not quite as bad as that, but basically it was dropping every so often. So hopefully this will solve my issue and just give me a bit of a better audio. I mean, so yeah, what I'm going to do is going to unbox it. As I said, I'm not expecting much. It was only a 15 quid headset, and to be honest with you, at 15 quid I've spent more on a kebab being ordered. Well, I say kebab, kebab for me and the wife, so there you go. Yeah. So for 15 quid, you know, you can't really go wrong. If it's no good, then, you know, it's no good. So I've taken the liberty of taking the little sticker off the back already. I learned from the Beats unboxing, because trying to peel them little stickers with one hand is a bit of a nightmare, so I already took that off. So it comes wrapped up in this, well, little polystyrene bags. Ooh, there we go. So basically, in one bag you get ear cup, and as I said, it's a complete open design, and it's designed so basically if you've got a 5.1 surround sound system and you're using that, you can still get your immersive audio from the surround sound, and then the voice sort of mixes in with it, so it doesn't actually block out any of the surround sound. So for me, I don't have the laptop connected to surround sound, but I do like listening to it through the laptop speakers. For me, when I stream, I like to keep an ear out for the wife and little one, you know, being a family man and stuff. Hence why I got a laptop in the first place, so I didn't end up having to go lock myself in the cupboard under the stairs or whatever, playing on a PC, like Scazius does. But then again, he waits until his kids go to bed to stream, whereas I don't. So yeah, you've got the earpiece with the microphone, just there. Yeah, earpiece and microphone, decent amount of cables, quite a thick cable, and then you've got a little inline remote with a mute switch and a volume control. And then I presume in this bag it is the headband. It's a bit of an odd design that they've put the headband separate, but I guess maybe it makes the box smaller, I don't know. And I've just realised that cats have been standing on my Omen, hence the dirty muddy paw prints. And yeah, there's a headset. Very basic, a little bit of foam. You know, as I said, you get what you pay for, 15 quid. As long as the microphone is a step up to what I've been using, then I'm happy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to assemble this, and then I'll do a couple of microphone tests. Hi. So this is the headset microphone plugged directly into the HP Omen's combo jack. This headset connects via the 3.5mm combo type plug, which means you can use it on PS4, Xbox One, laptops, mobile devices, anything with a combo jack. You can plug it straight in. So this is just plugged straight into the HP Omen's standard headphone port, and I've done nothing to tweak the levels. So yeah, this is what the microphone sounds like when plugged into the Omen. Now I've actually been using the headset since I actually did the unboxing part of this video. I did a Grand Theft Auto online stream with Sidewinder Snake, and actually the headset didn't let me down at all. It worked really well, and I had that plugged in via the Xbox One controller. Although, because the preamp in the Xbox One controller is nowhere near as good as the preamp in the laptop's sound card, I have had to manually put a 9.5 decibel boost to the volume on when I use it via the Xbox One controller microphone port. So what I'm going to do now to compare the audio, I'm going to unplug this from the Omen, and then I'm going to plug it straight into the Xbox controller port with that 9.5 decibel volume boost on it, just so you can hear the difference. And then what I will then do is I will do a another test with the internal noise cancelled microphone array. However, to note though, I did that stream with Sidewinder Snake for about an hour and a half, and actually the headset remained, even though it's cheap and plasticky, the headset did remain comfortable for that entire stream. And the good thing is, because this headset is all opened up, because it's obviously designed to be used in conjunction with a separate sound device, so i.e. if you prefer the sound of the TV speakers, or if you've got 5.1 surround sound set up, or like me, if you're just using the laptop speakers for the game audio, this headset's designed so you're able to hear the rest of the world around you, and you know, you can talk at a nice quiet volume because you're not having both your ears blocked off. So yeah, this is the microphone plugged directly into the Omen. I'm going to unplug it now and switch it to the Xbox. So bear with me 1 second. I will do this all in one take, so you can see that I'm not messing around. So this is the mic on the laptop being muted. Testing, testing. Right. Now this is the same Turtle Beach headset, now plugged in via the Xbox controller port. Now I have had to manually bump it up by 9.5 decibels to boost it in OBS. There's no way of doing it in Windows. So yeah, I've had to put a 9.5 decibel microphone boost on to actually get it to be as loud as it was when it was plugged directly into the Omen. So actually though, when I was doing it earlier on the stream with Sidewinder Snake, when I listened to the stream back, it actually sounded pretty decent, to be honest with you. So I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, I'll end up using it to do my streams permanently with. So yeah, that's it. This is the headset plugged into the Xbox One controller, and what I will do finally, as a comparison, I will put the microphone array back on, the internal noise cancel microphone array. I will have to knock it down by a decibel or so, because it is much louder than this headset, because the microphones in this laptop are very, very sensitive. So bear with me 1 second. So this is the Xbox controller being muted. And this is the laptop's internal microphone array for comparison. And as you can see, that green bar is going absolutely bonkers.
So yeah, it's a very, very sensitive microphone. But because it is so sensitive, I have got to turn all of the extra noise cancelling on. So yeah, it can sometimes be a bit hit and miss. It's a lot better now since I updated the drivers. I had a big problem before when I was doing some quieter videos like this with no background audio. The microphone would repeatedly just drop for no reason, and it would sound like that scene out of Wayne's World where they're trying to trick the drive-through geezer by pretending that the speaker box is broken and sort of muffling every other word. So yeah, it was a bit of a nightmare really. So that's what prompted me to get the headset in the first place. But yeah, this is the internal microphone array. Now it is much louder than the other microphones, than the Turtle Beach microphone, regardless of whether it's plugged in via the Xbox controller or via the microphone port. But yeah, as I said, it's just because the microphone in the laptop is very sensitive. So let us know in the comments below which microphone you prefer and how you prefer it connected. If you prefer the Turtle Beach, do you prefer it connected via the direct to the Omen or via the Xbox controller with the 9.5 decibel boost? Or do you prefer the microphone array in the laptop? You know, it'd be interesting to know. Let us know in the comments below. I mean, to be honest with you, though, for a 14.99 headset, I am not disappointed. You know, I've paid more for a kebab meal for two for me and the missus from the takeaway. So, you know, at the end of the day, you know, for what I paid for it, you can't really go wrong. And I've done a Discord test with Scazius, and he said it sounded pretty decent, to be honest with you. Sidewinder Snake said it sounded pretty decent when I was speaking to him in the game when Discord was working. If you watch that stream, you'll hear the Discord kept breaking up, which was a bloody nightmare. But the microphone itself really worked well. As I said, for the entire hour and a half stream, I almost forgot I had it on my head. So comfort-wise, is actually very, very good. And with a little bit of tweaking, when you plug it in via the Xbox controller, it actually makes a very decent streaming mic. So I'm personally quite happy with it. But yeah, so for 15 quid, you're certainly not being ripped off. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below. If this video has been helpful, then leave a like. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.